I'm going to give you the lightning quick tour of the art collection at 39 Drummer Road. Alright, so there we are, 39. Not a prime number. Handles. Alright, so what do we got in here? Ooh, we got something strange against that wall. That looks kind of like Einstein in duplicate there. We got him in black and white. French have a phrase for that. I'm not sure what the heck it is. Oh, and he even has a little bit of math down there. I told you I really like that gamma of E equals gamma MC squared. Don't want to be restricted to one particular inertial reference frame. And this guy is whacked. And that is even more whacked, but that was kind of an early idea I had of maybe a slightly different perspective on what gravity might be doing. I don't think it panned out, but it certainly was what I started working on. The reason for doing both of these guys, oh, there's my dog. Okay, is because special relativity is well integrated with absolutely everything of standard physics, but his work on gravity, it still doesn't get along with everything. So that's why he got the crazy colors. All right, now over here we have a page from the New York Times in 1919 where it talks about light all askew in the heavens. So this was his, this was the November 10th, 1919 article on page 27, not front cover. Oh, and no, I added this. Einstein was not staring at an eclipse, but there was artistic license. And at the time I thought this might be a way to get there, and decided eventually no. But this page is wonderful, you know, articles on Lady Astor and stuff like that. Really cool stuff. And oh, we got another collage over here. And oh, involves 3 different artists. This, of course, is Starry, Starry Night. And this is Dali's Persistence of Memory. And that's a Seurat. And again, I have my own little funky equation thing that I showed to Alan Guth, who said, interesting, but not very interesting. So this line of research didn't work out, but it was trying to deal with 2 atomic clocks, 1, 2, 1 in a plane, 1 in the Chesapeake Bay, and the time differential between them, which turned out to be 53 nanoseconds, according to that little expression. And that was my own thing that I don't think really panned out. But hey, you got to try. What do we got over here? Well, the title of this piece is Groups of coherent photons behave like waves and particles. It's like, whoa, that's a long title. I showed this to my grandmother, and she said it reminded her of a placemat. Grandma was a tough critic. Oh, but the left and the right things, they are coherent, and the stuff in the middle, that's incoherent. And that wave particle stuff only really shows up with the left and right stuff, not the stuff in the middle. So I think that's what it's all about. Groups of coherent photons are, yeah, well, whatever. And over here, we have an awfully big panel. We really got to zoom, don't we? Okay, so that is, oh, that's Einstein's equation for how gravity works. And that's the Dirac equation for how things work on a really small scale. So really small scale stuff to the big stuff, and that's apparently what physicists think makes it all work. And then, ooh, what the heck? And the title of this one is The Speed of Light According to René Magritte. a French, what, surrealist guy. Oh, and it even has real French done by a real French physicist. He's the one who got all the accents the right way. What is that? The speed of light, c, is not a velocity. And then there is no time without space, no space without time. Okay, the other way around. But and on the side it says time eclipses space, and that's a bird thing I got from my mom. And then I see. So this is when we've got a lot of time together, and I can tell you a really long story. I know I should shut up. And over here, that's when you're almost going the speed of light. Well, actually, when you go the speed of light, time is space. I'm not quite sure what it means, but I look at it every single morning. And what we got over here? Oh, we've got the fridge. All right. Okay, so maybe this isn't really quite art. It's just, oh, look at that cute little girl. And you see, she's wearing her daddy's shoes. Kind of scary, but hey, she's a cutie. All right, so that was the great tour. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.